Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a stuck trigger on your Dyson V8, you're not alone. This common issue can arise from debris or wear over time. If left unresolved, it can lead to a complete malfunction of your vacuum cleaner, rendering it unusable. Let's get started on fixing this problem. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some compressed air. It's also a good idea to have a clean cloth on hand for any dust or debris you might encounter. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is completely powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the main body and look for the release latch. Carefully press the latch while gently pulling apart the sections of the vacuum. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic clips. Once opened, inspect the trigger mechanism near the handle. The most likely culprit for the stuck trigger is a buildup of dirt or a faulty spring. Using your compressed air, carefully blast away any dust or debris around the trigger area. If the trigger does not spring back into place, you'll need to examine the spring mechanism more closely. To do this, locate the screws securing the trigger assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Gently lift the trigger assembly out, being careful not to damage any connected wires. If you notice the spring is dislodged or damaged, replace it with a new one. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've replaced the spring, reassemble the trigger assembly by aligning it back into place and securing it with the screws. Ensure each screw is tightened firmly but avoid over-tightening, which could strip the plastic. Before closing the device, test the trigger to ensure it moves freely and springs back properly. If everything seems in order, reattach the main sections of the Dyson V8 by aligning the clips and pressing until they click back into place. Finally, give the vacuum a quick test run to verify that the trigger operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean the trigger area and ensure no debris is trapped inside. Additionally, consider using your Dyson V8 on appropriate surfaces to minimize wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.